Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the Joy 61 Key Lighting Music Keyboard, specifically the KL91M kit. This is a keyboard designed with beginners in mind, and it comes as a complete package, which is fantastic. Right out of the box, you get the keyboard itself, plus a headphone, a stand, and even a stool. So, you really have everything you need to start playing immediately. The keyboard features 61 simulation piano keys. What's cool is that Joy has designed these keys to be highly simulative of traditional piano keys, aiming to give players a feel that's closer to an acoustic piano, even at this level. A standout feature, especially for new learners, is the lighting function on the keys. This can be incredibly helpful when you're following along with lessons or the built-in demo songs, guiding your fingers to the right notes. Speaking of sounds, this keyboard is packed. It includes a massive 255 different timbres, which are basically different instrument sounds, and 255 rhythms, giving you a huge variety of backing tracks to play along with. Whether you want to sound like a piano, a guitar, strings, or something completely different, you have tons of options. The rhythms cover many styles, from pop and rock to jazz and Latin. Plus, there are 50 demonstration songs built in. These are great for listening to, learning from, or playing along with using the lighting key feature. Joy states that the keyboard produces quality sounds and effects, and the goal is to provide players with a colorful and fantastic playing experience. With so many sounds and rhythms, it certainly offers a lot of creative possibilities. It also has a USB music player function, which adds another layer of versatility, allowing you to potentially play along with your own music files. Being a 61-key keyboard, it's a good size for beginners and also makes it quite portable, which is handy if you need to move it around or take it to lessons. It's available in white, black, and gray, so you have color options to fit your space. Overall, the Joy KL91M kit seems like a really comprehensive and engaging option for anyone just starting their musical journey, providing the instrument and essential accessories all in one go, with features like key lighting and a huge sound library to keep things interesting.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.